We all know that AI is taking over the internet, but are you going to take advantage of that fact or keep watching other people win? And that is exactly why I use AI to enhance my dropshipping stores to their maximum potential. In this video, I'll reveal my hacks that are guaranteed to make you more money when dropshipping. So make sure to subscribe and get a notepad because the source is gonna be rapid fire in this video. First up, we have the good old ChatGPT, the AI that started this whole AI revolution. And I use ChatGPT for a bunch of things. And the first is to generate a name for my products. Now doing this is pretty easy, and here is exactly how I do it. So for example, let's say we're selling a posture corrector. So I'm gonna come here and tell it, give me 10 potential product names for a product that helps the user fix their back posture. The name must be a combination of 2 words to form one. And then just fire that and it's gonna start giving you a bunch of names. As you can see, posture fix, back align, spine guards. And one thing you'll notice is that most dropshipping names look exactly like this. 2 words made to form one. And if you didn't know, they are all using ChatGPT. So upright ease, whatever. I'm sure most of these are taken because this is one of the most saturated products in the world. If you don't like any of these names, you can literally just tell it, give me 100 more, 200 more. I usually just ask for 30. So maybe we could choose Spine Cure. That's a fire name. And once you find a domain that you like, go ahead and buy it on namecheap.com. Now I use Namecheap because they always have better prices than Shopify, even for the exact same domain name. Make sure to stay tuned throughout the rest of this video because I'm randomly gonna be dropping little secret sauce for those guys who are actually serious about making dropshipping work. The second thing I use ChatGPT for is to create a sales copy for my entire website. Now there's going to be a Google Doc in the description down below with my ChatGPT prompt for completely free. So this is exactly how you want to use that prompt. Copy the first message and then come back to ChatGPT, open a new chat, and then you basically want to fill in these 3 parts. So you're selling a product, so back posture corrector on Facebook ads. This is where we include our angle too, for people who experience back pain because of old age and want to solve that. Alright, and then you just want to send this message. Ignore the first message that ChatGPT sends you, come back to my document, scroll down, and then copy this second part. Part that says list 5 benefits, open Amazon and search for your product, and all your competitors will have the benefits listed in the description. So adjustable for perfect fit, that's the first thing you want to put in. 2-in-1 back brace and posture corrector. And now once you put in all these 5 benefits, you press enter, and then this second ChatGPT message is going to have your entire sales copy. And as you can see, it's just going to start telling you exactly what to put in every single section of your website. And it's honestly that easy. Now if you guys want a more in-depth video where I show you guys how I create my high converting dropshipping stores, then click this video in the top right. And look at that, it's finally done with the message. We have our FAQ, guarantees, this part we're gonna put in our image with text. It's just so simple. And before ChatGPT, people actually had to do deep research for the product and write entire paragraphs from their mind. And you simply don't have to do that anymore. No, that's not all yet. I also use ChatGPT to tell me potential audiences and marketing angles for my products. See, when you're dropshipping, it's not really about the product, it's more about what problem that product is solving. We are selling solutions to people's problems. That way, even if you have a competitor selling the exact same product as you, you can market it to a completely different audience. For example, the back posture corrector. So for example, you could sell it to gamers, students who are always revising and have bad posture, old people, athletes. The list just goes on and on and on and on. And each of those is a different target audience, a different pocket, a different age group with different interests and everything like that. And this is what I tell ChatGPT, give me 10 potential target audiences for my product. And then it's gonna start typing it out. So as I said, seniors, office workers, drivers, I didn't think of that one, fitness enthusiasts, post-surgery patients. I would never recommend selling a product to like post-surgery patients and things like that because they already get one from the hospital. But parents with young children, students, people with sedentary lifestyles, manual laborers, health and wellness enthusiasts. And then from this list, you basically want to cancel out all the ones that your competitors are marketing to. And the free angles are literally unsaturated for you to go and make a bargain. I've still got more in my bag of tricks, and here's the first piece of secret sauce for you guys who made it this far into the video. If you didn't know, you can actually use ChatGPT to steal those custom generated liquids on your competitors' websites by simply taking a screenshot and then asking ChatGPT to recreate what it sees. So let's do exactly that. So there's a big competitor in the dropshipping space called Bleem. They have one of the best websites, if I'm being honest. And let's see what they have here that we might want to steal. Alright, so So let's say we wanted to steal this table, right? So I'm simply gonna take a screenshot of that. I'm gonna open a new chat and then say, generate me a HTML custom liquid for this table that you can see, which I can paste into my Shopify store. Copy all of this, and then here on your Shopify store, just add a custom liquid, or let's do it like somewhere down here. And then literally paste in what ChatGPT told you, and it's that simple. Most people that probably had to buy some sort of paid theme or install some sort of app which is gonna end up reducing your site speed, when you could just do exactly what I showed you for free, and then you can just come and edit everything. Now I know I just dropped a bombshell of sauce, so please subscribe to make it up to me. Now the next AI I use to enhance my dropshipping stores is called Photor. Now this one is actually not free, but you can get a free trial, which is what I did, and I haven't even been asked to pay yet. Now once you arrive on the Photor website, there's a whole bunch of things it can do here. You can even create an AI image of yourself for like a profile picture, but want to use this for dropshipping, and the only thing I've used it for so far is removing the background. So let's come back to our Amazon link here, and we want to make our product image. So let's save this image. This is a really good one because you always want an image of like your ideal customer using the product, or just somebody using the product rather than the product just floating there. And as you can see, it's just going to remove the background for us. Now of course you can use Photoshop for this, but it's really inconsistent at times. For example, up here on his hair, it would give you a bunch of issues, and AI exists, so why even stress yourself about that anymore? And boom, the background is completely gone, and now we can just download the image. You'll have to pay to download it in HD, but another thing you can do is just download the preview and use an AI upscaler to upscale the preview. See, using AI to beat the AI, man. 2024 is such a crazy time to be living in, honestly. And if you're not taking advantage of that to dropship, I don't know what to tell you, bro. And next we're going to use Flare AI to create our product images. And basically what this allows you to do is to place your product in a relevant environment to your product. For example, if you're selling a beach product and you only have the PNG image like the one we just made with no background, then you can just tell it to put the product, you know, on the beach next to the ocean, etc. AI can do all of that for you. And imagine the amount of time that has saved you, because before you'd have to go and drive to a beach or pay someone who lives on like a beachside town to go and take a picture of the product, and now you can do it in 4 clicks. So once you're on the Flare AI homepage, click projects and create a new project, and then there you want to add your image, and you want to drag and drop it from your file explorer. So here's that image we just made, put it there, and there it is. You might want to resize it for sure so that it can fit. And then next you want to tell it a prompt. So your product is a posture corrector. in front of, let's say we're selling this to old people again, or maybe gamers. A gaming setup. Placement on nothing actually, because it's already on a person. Number of results. This basically the amount of images, different images that you wanted to give to you, so you can choose the best one. Reference image, you can also drop in a reference image for yourself, and then just generate, and then give it a minute. Alright guys, and as you can see, it showed us one image. I'm not sure why the rest isn't done, honestly. It's been saying 99% for a very long time, but look at that image it made for us. That's literally exactly what we asked for. Now of course this one was photoshoppable, but I'm just going to throw up a bunch of different product images that I have used for my past products, which I also generated using Flare AI. So these 3 AI tools are what you're going to use to speedrun your success dropshipping. Now that's not saying it's gonna be easy. It's still going to be hard, and there's a bunch of things that you still need to master, like ads and creating a high converting website. And if you're struggling with that, feel free to DM me on Instagram at ecom_native for one-on-one coaching. If you learned something valuable from this video, then feel free to drop a sub, comment, and like the video. And until next time, stay hard, keep grinding, and don't give up. Peace.